Okay, so we have a Jabsco 33010 electric toilet. This is the base. This is where the motor goes on. I've had this soaking in muriatic acid. I got all the calcium stuff off the parts. That's the pump, the impeller, the chopper blade. Everything is clean. There's the old motor. That motor's 20 years old, something like that, 18 years old. Okay, so I got the bowl back onto the base. Got those hand tight, 10 millimeter. And that's where the Joker valve is inside of there. This goes in there. And then the impeller and the other stuff. Well, I put it all back together without putting it on video because I couldn't do the video and hold everything. So water pump in there, chopper upper there, water comes in, seawater comes in there, goes up into here, around the bowl and down, and then the discharge is the back here. Hose is down there soaking in muriatic acid because it's full of calcium, so we're gonna get this put back in, see if it works. So when I replaced the parts for the pump, we flushed it with some acid to get up the calcium, and the calcium broke loose. It goes in that pipe, the big white pipe to the left of the head, and it goes down into this pipe. And then this is a Y valve that either sends it to the holding tank or overboard. So the calcium broke up into pieces, and a piece of toilet paper got stuck right there where it goes into the tank. So I'm buying new hose. I gotta go get one more piece to go from here behind me to the overboard discharge. And the next job is to clean the sump. And it needs to be cleaned. So I got the shop vac out. This is a basket that holds hair. So the water from the shower comes in here, goes through this basket, that traps all the hair. The rest of the water goes into this little bin. The float switch lifts up and it sucks the water and pumps it overboard. That's called a sump pump. But I wanted to show you this thing here, if I can get it out. Oh yeah. Yeah. Enough said. Oh yeah. That's a beautiful thing. Okay, here's the after picture. Hit it with a shop vac. Rinsed put a little water in there. Little bleach. Clean that screen out. Almost done. I got one more hose to put in. And that's all under the stairs, so I'm going to button this up and then run to the store and buy some more 1-inch hose. So that's new hose, both of those. That's new and that's new. And that's new. They were all rusted, clogged. This goes overboard. That goes to the Y valve. So we got all new stuff. Okay, new hoses for the tank, the overboard. That's old, but that's relatively new.